forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Chili Boys 1, Richards Bay 1. I'm joined by our coach.
Coach Maputi.
Yeah, sure.
Coach Sihle from Future Stars.
Tango coach. Nibone kanjani game coach?
Game siyibone kahle kakhulu namhlanje. Enjoyile papadi ya Maoto Kashiko.
Nearly top.
So nearly top coach. So gratile tawa hore it's a first experience, most especially for nna ke hlaha plekeng tse tshwana le bo Tikwana Hoopstad. So it's a first experience for ke fitla mona and then to hore ke tlo bona game e kholo hakana. And then all thanks to Future Stars for taking me away from ikasla emncane ukungiletha lana ngizobona into ezinje. And then thanks kakhulu ku cheerleader yami, my cheerleader and my chairman this side with Future Stars Football Club. So proudly so ngiyayichenya kakhulu ukuthi i-team yami namhlanje ngisayichenya ngisaya kude nayo ngiyabonga.
Ngiyawuthwala man of the match fast before via coach. Man of the match today.
Yeah, man of the match ka Hotman e ke ratile nthata fela Hotman Goodman Mosele Goodman Mosele former Orlando Pirates since ke mo follower from Bucks. So namhlanje Hotman ngisampheza ngisamthanda namhlanje. Hayi tsana umnati Hotman ansayithweri yathi.
Levali Chili Boys mos. Nelevali Chili Boys.
Richards Bay.
Richards Bay. Richards Bay.
Neke bana prediction ya Pirates Chili Boys.
Sure, that's team. Sure.
Any prediction yana maybe wabona. Ya Lekhosi le Sandawana Saturday Orlando Pirates le Chili Boys. Before ke le chinda.
Okay. My own prediction next time we will chairman na ke buela nna. My own prediction ka gore nna ke Lekhosi le leholo Hotman. So obviously between Chiefs le Sundowns Hotman ke tsamaya le Lekhosi.
Yeah, lo ba sharp.
Yeah, obvious Hotman. Obvious. And you let me ke shape di bounce back from
re tswango yo.
I wanna hear Hotman. So tame ke khutla ke lokise le ding eta steam. Sure Hotman. So yeah. Hotman
ubashapa bugaye
32 Kaizer Chiefs
1,000
sound. Yeah, sure Hotman. Sure.
Chairman una le ntho batla ngo ibua che?
Chiefs ne Sundowns 1, Chiefs 1.
Yeah, itro.
Yeah.
Pirates cheaper,
Pirates 3, cheaper 0.
Asibonge chairman. Anything else to say about the team, academy? Bangathola kuphi chairman?
Mabengifuna bangangithola kwi Facebook page Future Stars Football Development, TikTok Future Stars Football Development, Instagram Future Stars Football Development.
Phethezi mnandi chairman.
Too much.
Cream.
Too much cream tara cream.
Thank you chairman.
Danko.
Asibonge coach ga lebo.